Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by TheTradingAnalyst.com. We're going to take a look at the market here. I'm going to give my analysis. I'm going to go over my thought process and exactly what I'm seeing and where I think the market is going to head. And I think you're really going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get into this chart here, I want to have you guys visit our homepage of the website, TheTradingAnalyst.com, and just get to know us better. We want to get to know you better. And when you visit us here on the homepage, you're going to see everything that the service has to offer and everything that sets us apart from every other service out there. And plain and simple, guys, we get results for our clients. And you can see that with all the testimonials and reviews that we have here. Our clients are happy and they're making money, and they're happy enough and they're making enough money to give us these glowing reviews. So check those out. The other cool part is when you sign up and you join today, you're actually getting instant access to the same profitable trading alerts that these guys are getting and they're talking about in their reviews. So, if you're sick and tired of losing in the market and sick and tired of being inconsistent with your trading, maybe you're winning 1 week, but then you're losing the next 3 weeks, and your account never really goes anywhere, and God forbid you blow up an account. Well, it's not your fault. Okay, it's not your fault that this has happened to you, and I really want to be honest with you guys, okay? Because there's a lot of bad information out there, there's a lot of bad services out there, and they're trying to take advantage of you, and that's not right. And the cool part is that you have an opportunity to do something about that. You have an opportunity to change your path in the market and to get better results and to change your results. And that is the opportunity is the TradingAnalyst.com premium membership. You're going to get instant access to all of these winning trade alerts. We do about 3 to 5 a week, and that's going to give you an opportunity to get results right now, not 6 months from now, not a year from now, not 2 years from now. If you get results 6 months from now, I'm going to consider that a failure. Okay, we want to get you results right away. So if that's what you're looking for, then you need to sign up for that premium membership community right now. All right, so let's take a look at this chart here. So we're looking at the S&P 500. I'm also going to touch on the NASDAQ as well. I'm not going to touch on the Dow because the Dow honestly is just super choppy, and it's been really, really hard to analyze. So I'm not even going to touch on it because the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ are much easier to analyze. All right, so first and foremost, I do think we still have lower to go. Okay, I think we have lower to go based off of, I'm going to analyze the last 3 days prior to today's action, and you saw this gap down right here, and then basically we just traded sideways for the next 2 days. All right. So, like I mentioned to my paying clients, is that this was likely going to lead to a further downside move because we didn't get any kind of a bounce signal. All right, we didn't get any kind of bounce signal. All right, so I do think the market still has lower to go. All right, with that said, I think it's going to be a great buying opportunity. Okay, we've got major support, right around here. You can see it was resistance here, there, right there, right here, and then we turn it into support right there, and then just above that level, right around there, you can see. So right around 2,800 to about 2,790 is going to be that support level that you want to look for. The other thing that it matches up perfectly with is this 50-day moving average. Notice how when we broke over it, okay, a clean break, more than just 1 day over here, but notice how when we clean break over it, it turned into support right there. That's a perfect bounce off the 50-day. And then right here, another perfect bounce off the 50-day, okay? That 50-day moving average, the red line, is perfectly lined up with that support I previously mentioned, as well as, if you look over here, we've got this really nice uptrend line that matches up perfectly with that level, all right? Perfect hit there. Do you see that bounce and these bounces right here? And the 50-day is matching up, that trend line is matching up perfectly with this 50-day moving average and that support level I mentioned. So we've got 3 levels here all lining up. The other thing that I want to mention too is that we've got 2 gaps above us that are likely going to want to get filled. All right, so the gap was from today's action. We gapped down. There's this big gap right here that needs to fill. And then there's this big gap right up here that needs to fill as well. So we've got 2 gaps above us with really nice support levels down here. All right, this would be a perfect retest of a nice support and trend line and 50-day moving average. So that's the S&P 500. Briefly, I'm going to touch on the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ here, there's, oops, wrong tool. We've got really nice support at about 177 to 176. And that's based off of that previous resistance there, and you can see it turn into support there, and right here we dipped a little bit below it, but that's okay. It's right around the same area. And what I want to stress to you guys, that's an important point to bring up, is that when we bring up levels here, a lot of the times it's not an exact level. So use it more of an area, okay? An area. So notice how we broke a little bit below that, but we still bounced off of it, okay? So that support level is still valid. So the other thing I want to mention too is this really nice uptrend line, very similar to the S&P 500. You can see it started there. There's a bounce. Are you guys seeing all these hits? And do you see how it lines up perfectly with that support as well as the trend line and the 50-day moving average? Okay, very similar to the S&P 500, just a different number on the screen. So that's what we're looking at here for the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. So are you sick and tired of watching the stock market boom and you've got nothing to show for it, no results to show for it? Maybe you've made some money here and there, but you end up losing it. And I want to be honest with you, I know exactly how you feel. I was once in your shoes. I've lost over $250,000 in the market, and that's because I didn't have a proven strategy and I didn't stick to that strategy. And it was kind of like, random acts of trading. And that's probably where you're at right now. That's typically what I see when I have clients coming on and I ask them, okay, well, what were you doing before? And they have maybe 10 different things that they're trying. But the thing that you need is a proven strategy, and you need to stick to that like a robot. And that's what I did. And that's why I finally was able to get results. And that's what you're going to get when you sign up and join the premium membership at TheTradingAnalyst.com. So it doesn't have to be that way for you. You don't have to be using random strategies and losing in the market. There is a better way. I'm going to show you that better way. So with these real-time trade alerts that you're going to get access to when you sign up and join today, these are all pre-researched by me every single time, and they are buy and sell alerts via text message, so you can trade from anywhere, and they're exact entry and exit parameters, so you know exactly what to do and when to do it. So these are going to allow you to start making money right away in the market. Again, if you start getting results 6 months from now, I'm going to consider that a failure, okay? We want to get you results and up and running right away within 48 hours, okay? As soon as the market opens, we're going to be trading, we're going to be giving you those alerts, and you're going to be able to start seeing results right away. And this is going to be, an opportunity for you to use that proven system, all right? This has been developed this has been developed by me over, my trading history of over 7 years, all right? Over 7 years of trading, and this is through trial and error and blood, sweat, and tears that I was finally able to create this proven system that's been working for me for the past several years in both up markets and down markets. And this is going to save you time. All right, this is going to save you time because you're not going to have to go over a bunch of charts or do a bunch of analysis, and be on your desktop all day to make some real money in the market, okay? Because you're not going to have to do that anymore, because these real-time trade alerts, we're doing all that for you. We're doing the analysis for you. We're doing the charts for you. We're watching the news. We're watching the trades. All you have to do is have your cell phone, and that's it. All right. As long as you have your cell phone, you're going to be able to do this. All right. All you need is about 15 minutes a day to be able to place these trades, and that's it. And you can trade from anywhere. You can trade from the office, you can trade from school, you can trade from home while you're watching the kids. This is going to work for you. So the goals here for the real-time trade alerts are about 8 to 10 winning trades per month at about 100% to 500% return per trade. We typically trade a lot of options, and that's why we get these kinds of gains on a regular basis. Bring it to a goal of $100,000 in annual returns for you. And when you're making these kinds of trades, these kinds of options trades, this goal is very realistic for you. So not only are you getting these real-time trade alerts, but you're also getting all of these other things. So you're getting these real-time trade alerts valued at $2,997. You're getting the options masterclass. So if you're not familiar with options, you're going to be able to hit the ground running after you take this options masterclass. And a lot of people overcomplicate options, but we keep it very simple, okay? Because it doesn't need to be complicated, because it's not a complicated subject. And if you know about options, then this is going to take you to that next level. And this options masterclass is valued at $997. You're also getting access to the exclusive Millionaire Trader videos, which are updated every single week. So you can get inside the head of a profitable trader and get a deeper understanding of the market. All right. This is a value of $997. You're also getting access to the professional trading watch list. So you can become a better trader and come prepared every single day to make money in the market. Because if you don't come prepared to make money in the market, then you're preparing to fail. Just like I talked about earlier, with a lot of people, doing random strategies and not really taking it seriously. Well, these watch lists are what you need to make money in the market, because we're preparing you to make money, and we're preparing ourselves. And when we're prepared, then you're prepared, and we're all going to be happy and making money. That's a value of $597. This is a total value of everything you're going to get today at $5,588. And you can get started today for everything that we talked about for just $699 for 12 months access of the annual membership. And this is a limited time offer, guys. We are raising the prices back up again soon, so you need to take action quickly, because this special offer is going to end soon. If you visit the page from the button click and it says sold out, then I'm sorry, but you've missed it and it's going to be closed. And if you wait to register, you're going to risk losing your spot, and you're going to risk having to pay that higher price, because once this is done, it's done, okay? And it's going to be closed, and you're not going to be able to enter at that price. So what you need to do right now is click the button below this video and then fill out the registration form. Then you're going to be able to log into the private members area and watch the welcome video, and then you're going to get started with the training material. And then all you have to do is start getting ready for the trade alerts as soon as the market opens, and you're going to be able to start getting results right away. Do not wait another second to sign up. So when you are ready, and at the end of this video, below this video, you're going to see this special offer, and you're going to see everything that you're going to get. And you can scroll down here, and all you have to do is click on this button, add to cart, at 85% off, and you just click there, and you're going to be taken to the 100% secure checkout page. And all you have to do is enter in your name, your email address, and that's your username, create your password, and be sure to enter in your phone number here, and that's how you receive the real-time trade alerts, all right? And you can enter in your billing information here, or if you'd like to check out with PayPal, you can click this button right here. You'll be taken to PayPal's secure checkout page. And as soon as you guys do that, you're going to be getting instant access to everything that we talked about today. And remember, this is a limited time offer, and I don't want you to miss out. I want you to be able to start getting results right away. All right, so this is Taylor. I'm signing off, and I look forward to helping you get results in the market right away.